Let us prepare for a debate. The proposition or question being asked is, should we create artificial intelligence? There is a viewpoint that says AI helps people in so many ways. There is also a view that AI comes with a lot of risks, and one must be sure it is worth it before creating AI. We must gather facts, examples, reasons, and opinions on the subject before we take sides. As you noticed, every debate begins with a question. In this instance, it is, should we create artificial intelligence? You must first understand the topic. What are we talking about? What is artificial intelligence? Thereafter, we should consider the question, should we create it? Why and why not? Once we have done that, we should try to understand what are the good things and what are the problems with creating artificial intelligence. In order to understand the topic and know what it means, we must define artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence means machines that can learn, think, and make decisions like humans. Voice assistants, self-driving cars, robots in factories, and language translation apps are some examples of the use of AI. Before you choose a side, you must collect information. Good debaters do not decide quickly about the side they want to take. They look at the topic from all angles. Let's find facts, examples, and ideas first. How do you find facts, ideas, or examples? Read books. Use trusted websites. Ask experts or your teachers. Read articles. Watch educational videos. Remember, you must collect information from many sources before you decide. The process of collecting information and analyzing them for accuracy is called research. You collect information from a variety of sources, but you should not accept all information as true without first testing their authenticity. Always check if the information is true. Write down the facts and examples that check out. Note the source you found it in. Good research makes your argument strong. Arjun strongly feels that AI can help us in many ways. So, he finds facts, the positives that support his belief. He notes down the reasons why he feels so strongly about it. AI helps doctors. It can read X-rays and detect diseases early. AI works quickly and saves time. AI can clean houses and do tasks in a shorter time frame. AI helps students learn. AI apps can explain lessons and help students practice more. AI does dangerous jobs. Robots can work in places that are too risky for humans. AI saves time and energy. AI tools can plan routes, manage traffic, and save fuel. Mira is concerned about the risks associated with AI. She looks for reasons and examples that raise concerns about AI. She feels that it is important to think about possible problems too. She lists her reasons. AI may replace some jobs. Robots and AI machines can do work that people used to do. AI can make mistakes. Self-driving cars can have accidents if the AI makes errors. AI can be misused. Hackers can use AI for scams, spreading fake news or cyber attacks. AI needs rules and control. Without rules, AI may make unfair decisions or invade privacy. AI is expensive to develop. Building and using AI systems cost a lot of money. Once both of them have noted down their reasons and examples, it is time to organize. Arjun and Mira organize their ideas into 2 columns so that they can understand both sides of the argument. The 2 columns help them see both sides of the topic clearly. They agree that balance is the key to a strong argument. It will also help them rebut any arguments the other team may put forward during the debate. You did it. Research smart and debate strong. We used different sources to find true and useful information. We looked at both the positive and the concerns. We organized our ideas into 2 clear columns. We summarized our points to make a strong argument. We are now ready to debate with clarity and confidence.